How to feel when your eyes begin to focus, or in other words, the accommodation of the eyes. This is when the eyes refocus to a different distance. First, for example, you were working on a laptop at home. You go outside on the street and look around at the trees, at the distant buildings, and feel how the eye muscles work. The rectus muscles tense a little and the oblique muscles relax, and you can see clearly into the distance. It is necessary to look without glasses, as glasses block the focusing function of the eyes. Second, it's also a good option to look at the other side of the river and blink. You can also feel how the process of refocusing of the eyes begins. Option 3 is just to go out onto the balcony and look into the distance and blink, or open the window and also look into the distance, also without spectacles, and the eyes begin to switch the focusing distance. In people with myopia, spasm of the eye muscles blocks the accommodation process, but if you do a light stretching of eye muscles, blink every second and look into the distance, you can get rid of the spasm of the accommodation naturally. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, Eyesight Academy consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. The link will be in the description below.